It takes someone who believes in miracles to tell clergy they have only 90 seconds to speak. So let's believe, at least for the moment, and it wouldn't hurt beyond. So the kippah, or skull cap, I wear today, it has a special meaning. Made by an erstwhile resident of Sarajevo, a Muslim woman, her family hid, that is, saved Jews during World War II. Years later, through the work of the American Jewish Joint Distribution Committee, she and her family were rescued from the ravages of another war. So she knits skull caps in gratitude. But I wear it not just to remember another outbreak of the demonic, rather to celebrate connection and caring. For ultimately, when we act on behalf of the human family, there is no religious or ethnic divide. Some years later, I met another Muslim woman, the remarkable Dr. Shakila Hassan of Chicago. And while our faith journeys may use different symbols, different languages, it is my good fortune, as manifest in this growing effort called Sounds of Faith, to know a person who understands, even perchance when we don't see eye to eye, that nonetheless we can and must walk shoulder to shoulder. As to sound, it begins with breath. Albeit biologically, it begins earlier in the womb, when we hear the beat of life, the sound of blood coursing, the mother's heart. And while we emerge, if only we understood, on a sacred pilgrimage to a holy place in sacred time, consider the breath. It sounds, or so I would assert, something like, were it spelled out, YHWH. We take in, all of us, Jew, Muslim, Christian, none of the above, the source. We give it back, for there is holiness all around us, a sacred dimension within us. So listen, share, celebrate, the sounds of faith.